The car's typical chrome exterior trim pieces will be replaced with black accents, when the Crown lineup gets a dark nightshade finish for 2025. The Crown Nightshade comes with a matte black 21-inch wheel, and a black leather inside. It is only available in two colors, Storm Cloud and Black, both of which are dark blue-gray. The lineup now includes a heated steering wheel and standard heated and ventilated front seats. The highest spec Platinum variant is equipped with a head-up display. The Toyota Crown's dramatic design, outstanding ride comfort, and big cabin all appeal to us. Another significant advantage is excellent fuel efficiency. The standard engine's performance is lacking, and some customers may be put off by the price, but altogether, we strongly suggest the Crown for sedan shoppers looking for something unusual. The Crown provides comfort. Our test vehicle was in Platinum lined up, which meant it had adaptive suspension. It rides quite well on almost any surface. The softest settings were ideal for dealing with some of the worst road surfaces, and even the sportier settings felt comfortable while limiting some body motions. The cabin is also extremely well insulated from wind and road noise. In our tests, we discovered that the improved Hybrid Max powertrain in the Platinum trim is very quiet, although the ordinary hybrid is substantially noisier when you press the gas pedal hard. Another area where we believe the Crown falls short is rear seat comfort. In comparison to other family sedans, the Crown has a somewhat higher stance, which makes it easier to enter and exit the cabin. Good head clearance is provided by spacious door apertures. Although there is plenty of room inside, we would prefer if the driver's seat had greater adjustment and a somewhat lower position due to the unusual SUV-like perspective out the front. In addition to that, the Crown's large back glass and minimal blind spots provide decent sight. The surround view camera system on the Platinum trim is also quite beneficial when parking. Toyota has significantly improved its technology features in recent models, including the Crown. The touchscreen user interface has a learning curve, but the physical controls are all simple to use and easy to see. The basic 12.3-inch touchscreen is large and responsive to operate. Toyota's latest software also appears to be more modern. Toyota's voice recognition technology is currently one of the best in the business, allowing you to control tasks such as the climate temperature or even ask it questions, much like a smart home assistant. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, the most recent version of Toyota's cutting-edge driver assistance system, is standard equipment on all Crown vehicles. The majority of the features, such as proactive driving assist and adaptive cruise control, are unobtrusive when driving normally and effectively lessen driving stress. The Crown's trunk is of typical size, with a capacity of 15.2 cubic feet. If you need more cargo room, the rear seats may be folded down. The reasonably large center armrest bin in the front features twin hinges that allow it to be opened from either the driver or passenger side. Storage is restricted to the wireless charger in front of the shifter and the extendable cup holder with a removable divider. The glove box is small, and there is no overhead storage for sunglasses. If you need to install kids' safety seats, we found the top tethers to be relatively easy to access, which is unusual for most cars. There is enough of rear seat capacity to move seats in and out, and the ISOFIX anchors are easily accessible beneath the retractable pull tabs. According to EPA estimates, the base engine of the Crown will achieve an amazing 41 miles per gallon combined in city and highway driving. We tried the more powerful Crown Platinum with its hybrid max powertrain, which lowers significantly to 30 miles per gallon combined.